Hey everyone! Today, we're covering two powerful Blender skills. First, how to rig in Blender, and then we'll dive into creating a realistic Blender water simulation. Let's jump right in. First, select your character mesh. Go to Add, then Armature, then Single Bone. Switch to X-ray mode so the bone is visible through the mesh. In Edit mode, extrude bones to create a skeleton, spine, arms, and legs. Next, select your mesh, then the armature, and press Ctrl+P, then select with automatic weights. Switch to pose mode, and you can now rotate and move bones to animate your character. Start with a cube and scale it into a container. This will be your fluid domain. Next, add another object, like a sphere, and set it as a fluid, then flow, then liquid. For the cube, go to Physics and set it as fluid, then domain, then liquid. When you play the timeline, the sphere will emit water inside the cube. To make it more realistic, increase the resolution divisions in the domain settings. You can also add obstacles, like a character or ground plane, their physics type to effector, then collision. Finally, enable mesh in the domain settings to turn the simulation into realistic, render-ready water. And that's it! You've learned how to rig in Blender and how to create a realistic Blender water simulation. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and drop a comment about what you'd like to learn next. See you next time.